I lost 180 pounds, and during maintenance, some of the weight came back. This series documents losing 20 pounds realistically without panic, punishment, or starting over. Well, I don't know how today and tomorrow's going to go. I'm going to go ahead and try to work ahead for tomorrow. Hang on. Try to work ahead for tomorrow. Yesterday, I felt a hint of nausea, and today I've been feeling a stronger nausea, and I do understand this is TMI. I do understand, but I'm a nurse, so it's things I talk about. We were just talking about it in there. I feel like I'm going to have some diarrhea, because you know when your kind of stomach starts, not necessarily cramping, but it kind of goes, and then your little poopy hole goes extra tight. That's kind of what I feel like is going on down there. But yeah, I took some took the little Pepto tablets, and I don't notice much difference, but we'll see. I mean, there's stuff going around, you know. All right, so what I have, it's ground beef, fat, fish sauce, you know that, anyway, the fish sauce, liquid aminos, Melinda's Thai sweet chili sauce, and sesame seeds. So we are going for an Asian flair today. I'm kind of wishing I would have just done a little salt and pepper, because, you know, the way I'm feeling kind of isn't the best decision. But I didn't know, so, but I ain't going to go home and get more, you know. So that's what this looks like. Hang on. That's what I'm eating today. If I felt better, I'd be like, yeah, buddy. So I do understand. Y'all know I'm not, I ain't carnivore. I'm animal-based. So sometimes I want flavors that kind of match different things. So that's kind of how I change it up. I know for some of y'all this wouldn't work. And maybe it won't work for me. I'm going to get one more bite. Hang on. What I didn't add was any sauciness, you know. I'd no teriyaki or stir-fried Jihu sauce. I just added fish sauce to give it that twang. And then a little bit of liquid aminos. So I kind of have the feeling that I'm eating. Was that my hand in the window? Oh, I thought somebody was walking by. I kind of have the feeling that I'm eating Chinese, but it's not exactly. So, you know, sometimes that's what you got to do. You just got to kind of get yourself with something a little close to it. And that's what I did. So hang on now. Let me open it. I have, which one do I have? Strawberry lemon burst Zevia today. I remember to scan it in. Hey, don't forget, at the end, I got my macros listed. So, yeah, that's how I'm doing today. A little bit nauseated and feeling like I might have to have a little poopy later on. So, we'll see what happens. We'll see what goes down. Suzanne's back. She's feeling better. Last week, we had a coworker that was throwing up in the bathroom. And so, you know, I mean, there's just all kinds of stuff going on around the world, you know. I was around the kids on Sunday. So one of them could have spread something. Who knows? It don't matter where I got it. Just got to make sure I stay hydrated. But yeah, so I'm trying to, because, you know, I'm working tomorrow, but I'm not working Friday. So I'm just trying to look ahead and get as much as I can done in case I can't make it in tomorrow. I have my shopping list ready to go. Oh, my car insurance little thing come in. So I cut that out, and I've got it over here in my glove box. It comes early. It's not going to be due until March 20th, but who am I to complain? I got the current one and the next one in there already. Yep, that's what I know. I love you guys, and yeah, I'll see you later. Like I said, I'm just feeling kind of bleh, like I could puke at any minute. All right, bye. Y'all, I had to come home early. I feel like hockey, dude. I I'll survive. So don't be like, oh, Terri, I'm gonna live. No, I am nauseated. I still don't know which hole something's gonna come out of at some point. So I have my puke pitcher. This was I use this. I think I bought this to use with dog food, but when you got 3 dogs, this doesn't do nothing but hold about a week's worth. So anyway, I just keep this around because if I got to get sick, it's big enough for my face to fit in, and then if it goes out, I know this is graphic, just you'll be all right. So I can go, bleh, and it can just go right on down in there. And then I can rinse it and flush it and rinse it and flush it. So I keep that around because, there's nothing worse than sitting on the toilet because you got something going on and then you've got to throw up at the same time. So this way I'm ready. All right, so what we have for supper tonight? We have pork steak, like, always. And we have some bacon pieces. And I have some yogurt, some Greek seasoning, and some Italian. It's like I got it at Trader Joe's that dry. It's really like a seasoning of sofrito. It's Italian sofrito. Oh, and some Parmesan cheese. So you'll have to see my macros at the end. I was going to add fat, but never mind. It's fine. So there's ways of sprucing up your stuff. And you can still stay animal-based. Yogurt's really good. Bacon's really good. Cheese. Seasonings if you tolerate it. That's what it looks like. It's white because of that yogurt. Now, last weekend Terri didn't label her creamies. So, let's see what it is. Peppermint. Get that cool, tingly flavor. Better have one more bite. Hold on. All right, y'all. Like I said, I don't feel too swift, so I'm going to let y'all go. You know how whenever you get kind of sickly, you kind of get a little weak in the knees and shaky? Because you know something's coming. I'll tell you what comes tomorrow. I'm sure it'll be nothing. All right, love you. Bye. Better click pause if you want to see this. This is a fun picture I made of me and the kids at the beach. This is my morning coffee. I have it every dadgum morning. And this right here is my lunch today. It says breakfast, but it was my brunch. And this is my afternoon coffee. Ignore the label. It's my afternoon coffee. And here we have my dinner and my treat with my dogs. And finally, you got my macros for the day. Bye.